Organizing your research, mastering references. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of academic writing, organizing and managing references. If you've ever been lost in a sea of papers, articles, and books, this video will help you navigate and streamline your literature review process. When you conduct research, references aren't just a formality. They're the backbone of your work. They provide credibility, showing where your information comes from; traceability, allowing others to delve deeper into your sources; acknowledgement, giving credit to the original authors. While traditionally, researchers used index cards or annotated bibliographies to track references, the digital age has brought about tools that make this process more efficient. Traditional, handwritten notes, photocopies, physical organization; digital, reference management software, digital notes, hyperlinks. There are many digital tools available for reference management. Some of the most popular ones include Zotero, a free, open-source tool that integrates with your browser. Mendeley offers both a desktop and web version, useful for collaboration. EndNote, a premium tool with advanced features for serious researchers. Remember, the best tool is the one that fits your personal workflow. Try out a few and see which one resonates with you. 1. Categorization. Group references by theme, topic, or relevance. 2. Annotation. Add your personal notes to each reference, highlighting its significance. 3. Update regularly. As your research progresses, some references might become more important, while others fade. Ensure your reference list reflects this. 4. Backup. Always have a backup of your references. Cloud storage or an external hard drive can save you in case of unexpected data loss. Once you have your references organized, the next step is ensuring they're correctly cited. Follow the style guide. Whether it's APA, MLA, Chicago, or another style, be consistent. Use your tool's features. Most digital tools can automatically generate citations in various styles. Review and proofread. Before finalizing your work, double-check each citation for accuracy. And there you have it. With these steps, your reference management will be streamlined, making your research process smoother and more organized. We hope this video aids you in your academic journey. Keep researching, keep writing, and until next time, happy learning.